Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division easily. First, let's grasp the fundamental concept. Division is simply splitting a total quantity into equal groups. Imagine you have 12 cookies and want to share them equally among 3 friends. Each friend receives 4 cookies. Understanding the terms like dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder is crucial. The dividend is the number being divided, the divisor is the number dividing it, and the quotient is the result. A solid grasp of your multiplication tables will make this process much smoother. Now, let's dive into the long division method, a reliable way to tackle larger numbers. Begin by setting up your problem, placing the dividend inside the division symbol and the divisor outside. Next, divide the first 1 or 2 digits of the dividend by the divisor, writing the quotient digit above. Multiply that quotient digit by the divisor, then subtract the product from the dividend's current section. Bring down the next digit and repeat these steps until there are no more digits to bring down, giving you your final answer. To make division even easier, here are some efficiency tips. Always try to estimate your quotient first. This gives you a good ballpark figure, like knowing that 100 divided by 10 is 10. Using compatible numbers, such as rounding 198 to 200, can simplify mental calculations. For very large dividends, break them into smaller, more manageable chunks. Finally, always check your work by multiplying your quotient by the divisor. If it equals the dividend, you've got it right. Division isn't just for textbooks. It's a vital skill we use every single day. Imagine you and 3 friends are splitting a $40 dinner bill. Division tells you each person owes $10. Or perhaps you need to figure out how many 5-inch books will fit on a 20-inch shelf. It helps calculate average speeds, like driving 200 miles in 4 hours or adjusting a recipe to serve 6 instead of 12. Mastering division truly empowers you in countless practical situations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.